Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE A53 Pro device, and now I can show you how to make this device faster. To do it, firstly open the control panel, open settings, scroll down and find storage here. So remember the one rule, never fill up your internal storage over the 70%, because when you fill up over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. As you can see, I have used only 9 GB of 64, so it's not too big part of the internal storage used, so I can use my memory, my internal storage. But if you have used 70%, I suggest you remove old apps, old files, images, videos from your smartphone. The second aspect is the RAM. All processes are running at the moment, they are running in RAM. So to clean the RAM, you need to open the recent apps and just click on this cross to remove all apps from memory. And as you can see, I have freed 126 megabytes from my RAM. So I suggest you do it from time to time, several times per day. So you need to create a habit to clean RAM during a day. Great. And the last aspect is the harmful and old junk files. So you have on your smartphone the Files application, Google Files, ZTE files, and here we have old pictures, old audio, old downloads. So I suggest you remove old files from downloads folder. In this way you can free up the storage on your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.